Okay, go.
Am I ready? Okay, welcome to Empower Your Body. I'm Alicia Kliegel. On today's episode, I'll be offering you some helpful tips and a workout, all how to get a sexy, tight, toned body. And we're also going to speak about optimism. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I promised you some information on how to get a sexy, tight, toned body. And we all know that being active and being healthy decreases our chances of acquiring stroke, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and some experts believe even depression and cancer. 60% of people do not exercise as much as is recommended. 60%, and 25 don't even exercise at all. They're not even active. 1 out of every 4 people aren't even active. So my fit tip is about how you can start to be more active and be more healthy. Number 1 is make a goal. If you guys saw our New Year's show, it was all about goals, and if you haven't seen it, please go back and view it. I think it aired on the 1st of this year. So, make a goal, come up with what you want to achieve. If you don't know what you want, you can't start. Number 2 is schedule your workouts. Put it right in our little PDAs, our phones, whatever it is. Schedule the time as to when you will be active. You're less likely to skip it. Number 3 is log your food. If you log your food, you'll actually be able to see everything you've been taking in. Many of my clients, they're like, oh, I don't eat badly, or people I meet, I don't eat badly, until we start to delve into it a little bit more, then I really start to see all the calories that they're eating. So those are your 3 fit tips that I have for you. And my question is, since we're speaking about how to stay fit and stay strong, is how many miles of blood vessels do you guys think we have in our body?